Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect bagels using an easy method. First, combine your dry ingredients, then add warm water and mix until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough for about 10 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. Next, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes, or until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into 8 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 110 grams. Roll each piece into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to create a hole in the center, stretching it slightly. Next, bring a large pot of water to a gentle simmer, adding a tablespoon of malt syrup if you have it. Boil each bagel for 60 seconds per side. After boiling, transfer your bagels to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. For a beautiful, shiny, golden crust, brush each bagel with an egg wash. Then, bake them for 18 to 20 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through the baking process to ensure even browning on both sides. Once baked to a beautiful golden brown, remove your bagels from the oven and let them cool on a wire rack for at least 15 minutes. This cooling time is crucial for the texture. Now comes the fun part. Add your favorite toppings. Whether it's sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or everything seasoning, customize them to your liking. Slice them open, add your favorite spread, and enjoy your homemade perfect bagels. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.